I've got myself a Moza R5 racing simulator, along with the SPR Lite brake pedal performance kit. First experience running sim racing. So let's give it an unbox. We have it. Instructions, let's just get straight into the goods. It's pretty heavier than I thought it would be. You know, after watching like 150 YouTube videos and reviews, it really talks about the actual physical weight of it. That is a good, heavy steering wheel. Buttons are solid. Clicker's really good as well. Aha, this is what I'm after. So that's the table clamp. Here is the motor. This is the actual thing. Whoa, this is well heavy. Oh, look at that. Wow. That is heavy. This, I can just imagine it rattling around on your desk. It's just going to rattle your coffee cups, your pencils, your rulers, you name it. Wow. Yep, they're already assembled. So it's just a case of taking the packaging off nicely. In case I don't have any fun with it, I'm just going to sell it all back onto eBay. Not joking. There you go. Here's your pedal. The kit as well, which is here. Everyone keeps banging on about it. So other stuff you've got in here, power pack, nuts and bolts and clips, and all that other gubbins. But this, wow. Right, let's get this set up. Right, so here's your clamp. I assume that must go like that. And the screws. Right, so now we've got this fixed in, that looks solid enough, you know, not going nowhere. Now I've just unpacked all the cables and worked out where everything goes. I need to install this kit. That snaps in place. So this is our first turn on. Look at those lights. Okay, and let's give it a blast.